Have you ever wished your phone could just look at something and instantly explain what you're seeing? Well, now it can, and it's totally free. Google has just made a major update that brings its powerful Gemini Live feature to all Android users, completely free of charge. This feature, which lets your phone's AI see through your camera and screen to respond in real time, was originally set to be exclusive to paid Gemini Advanced subscribers, but not anymore. Before we dive into how it works, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on AI features like this. Gemini Live officially launched earlier this month for the latest Pixel 9 and Samsung Galaxy S25 devices, with Google saying it would eventually roll out to other users. But with a catch, you'd need to be a paying subscriber. However, the company has now reversed course and announced that the feature is going completely free for all Android users with the Gemini app. Why the change? According to Google, the decision came after receiving a wave of positive feedback. Users loved the camera and screen sharing functionality, so Google decided to open it up to a much wider audience. The rollout begins today and will continue over the next few weeks. So, if you have an Android device and the Gemini app installed, you'll soon be able to use this AI tool in your everyday life. Here's how it works. You can point your phone's camera at something, like animals in an aquarium, and Gemini will use its visual understanding to identify what you're looking at and provide information on the spot. It also works through screen sharing, allowing Gemini to see what's on your screen and assist you accordingly. It's like giving your AI assistant eyes, and now every Android user can experience that power without paying a cent. In a similar move, Microsoft also announced today that its own version of this tech, called Copilot Vision, is now available for free in the Edge browser. So it's clear that the AI vision race is heating up, with both tech giants making these tools more accessible. Whether you're exploring the world around you or just need an extra set of eyes on your screen, AI tools like Gemini Live are rapidly changing how we interact with our devices. To see what Gemini Live can really do, check out the video Google released showing it in action. And if you're an Android user, make sure you have the Gemini app installed so you can start using this feature as soon as it rolls out to your device. Thanks for watching. And if you want to keep exploring the latest AI tools and how they can change your world, watch the related video in the corner now.